Good morning, Bedford Hills. I'm Ellie Brown, your SCA safety rep.
And I'm Ella White, your SCA historian. And this is the news for Friday, February 21st, 2020.
And today in history, in 1431, the trial of Jonah of the Ark began.
In 1842, the sewing machine was invented by John Greenough.
And in 1848, the first telephone book was issued. Do we even use those today?
And in 1953, the DNA molecules was discovered.
Today is Caregivers Day. On the third Friday of February, we honor the healthcare providers across the country, providing long-term care to those that cannot take care of themselves without assistance.
Around the nation, dedicated healthcare professionals serve those who require care. They provide vital services, reassuring patients and families who care about them.
And now the word of the day will be shared by two guest speakers from the library class.
Hello, my name is Francis. And I am Jade. The word of the day is addicted. Being addicted is having a great need to do or have something. After Valentine's Day, I was addicted to chocolate and I can't get enough.
Thank you for the word of the day, guest speakers.
That's it for today.
We hope you have a great weekend.
This is Ellie Brown.
And Ella White. Remember, be respectful,
Be responsible.
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day.
Have a great day!